Deep cleaning on HP 15S laptop. Thank you, Sir Ivan, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for deep cleaning is a smart move to ensure its long-term performance and health. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris build up inside the laptop, clogging fans and vents, which can lead to overheating and reduce the efficiency of key components like the CPU and GPU. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to safely disassemble the laptop, thoroughly clean the internal parts, and ensure optimal airflow. This process not only improves cooling and prevents overheating, but also extends the lifespan of the laptop's critical components, keeping it running smoothly by choosing a professional. You avoid the risks of damaging sensitive components during cleaning, making it a reliable and cost-effective way to maintain your laptop's speed and functionality. Overall, bringing your laptop to a professional, it reduces the risk of long-term damage and enhances the overall health of your laptop, making it a reliable solution to keep your device running at peak performance without the risks associated with DIY cleaning. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your laptop deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.